in the beautiful, majestic town of Dingle, County Kerry. Every year we see new shops opening for business, some doing better than others. We would like to find out what helps a business to succeed and the reasons behind others having to close.
Tá sé I mo clown, mo antín agus mo bháthar tá is fiadóirí an Bartica san. Dus go mé an tripa therefore 2030 so níl oscailt gur 7,000.
The Dingle elf name was, I suppose, inspired by trying to cross over my Christmas shop with the gift shop. So something elf-like was Christmas, but also it led into the mythical fairy tale aspects of our Irish culture. So I felt like it was important to buy local products and to support our local craftspeople and local businesses actually as well. I had some resources and I decided it was time to invest in my own community.
Kent was something what was not available, something handmade in Dingle. I make it by myself, yes I do, they're locally done. What I'm using is an eco product, so for candle making, eco is a soy-based natural product, what is toxic free. We hope that we can go a little bit more intensive with retail service, like we have it in SuperValue, also our candle as a local product, and we like to go more ahead with this actually. We have also a website, because especially after tourism, you have many people that like to reorder, so you need to have actually a website where you can buy again.
I opened the gallery at my home, right next to my house in Dhuibhne, and I was really surprised how busy I was. I'm a painter. I was painting the landscapes and doing fuchsia glass.
Bhí sé dachar an gnóthas nó sús mé héin. Bí aithne go Dhuibhne so aber le an siopa so a bháilt. Charrig sé le aithne go a bheith Dhuibhne timpeall agus aonáis maithe aon rud a gathú nó siopa nó a goscaid bhí níos go rudaí mar sin. Ceapan nach bhfuil mór an fiadóirí fácathe in éireann agus is stoilm go spás an sa marga chun rudaigint nó íseach agus sais fasisiúnta I dhéanamh le fiadóireacht.
It was time to move into Dingle, and I think although I was busy here, I wanted more footfall and tourists coming in, and I had thoughts of setting up on my own. And one rainy day I was walking through Dingle and I looked up and there was a shop for rent, and it was in exactly the place that I would have wanted it to be, in the main street, and that was how it happened.
Researching everything was difficult. The woman that I rent the premise from was very helpful in encouraging me and directing me in where I needed to go with sorting out, rates and utilities and different things, So everybody's been really positive and really helpful and very encouraging. And I've invested heavily in trying to get things really nice. And so I think this year I won't hire anyone. Next year I will.
Well, I guess we all depend a little bit on the tourism, of course. But also I found the local support, especially for me here, was very big. We are still planning to keep it as a family business. So that means my daughter is 16. She will be her first turn in the shop to help and work. I like Dingle. Dingle is a very nice place to be creative.
The shop was open altogether for nearly 10 years. Things were selling, but it was hard to keep going. The reason I closed up was a mixture of things. You have to have obviously electric, telephones, then there's the rate and the rents. So, and it soon adds up. It was, a good $1,000 a month you'd be looking at.
Bhí airgad go péin agus furas dúntas beag chomach an carú suas ón NEKD agus déanamh jobna part-time sure chomach I rithintara agus is stoilm go caitheann tú a bheith suganó go thomláin chun é anamh gceart. Foioi láthair tám just a garchad a bhfuil orm I chinách agus leis garchad a gur an fiadóireacht tám ag tógant é ó mí go mí.
And now being back at home where I was originally, in the home gallery, it's taken me all those years to come around in a big full circle. The rates are far smaller here. I have 3 different websites. Probably 25% of my work would be orders. Some people say, would you do it again? would I go back to Dingle? And I have to say, I probably will, you know.